my name is David Mugg, and this is my ECP1 project for ECE285. My project is a headphone amplifier with a low battery indicator. The purpose of it is to increase the amplitude of an input audio signal, so it's louder when it comes out. In my car, when using the aux cable, I have to turn the volume up almost all the way for a good listening volume, but using this I can actually keep the volume at about 2/3 of the max and achieve the same volume without any distortion. The circuit works as a non-inverting amplifier, really two non-inverting amplifiers for the left and right channels of the audio signal. So pins 1, 2, and 3 work as one amplifier, and 5, 6, and 7 as the other. So pin 1 right here is the output to the ring, the red cable here. Pin 2 is the inverting input, and pin 3 is the non-inverting input. Pin 1 comes out here and is actually fed back into pin 2, and that's how the amplifier gets the gain. The cluster of capacitors over here is actually in place of a single 4.7 microfarad cap because the tech shop didn't have the right size, so I'm using 3 capacitors in parallel to form the one larger capacitor. Also, the 2 resistors, 4.7K here and up here, work as voltage division, so the circuit is actually operating at about 4.5 volts instead of the full 9 volt. And then also the last little bit right here is just a low battery indicator. So these are 2 Zener diodes. One is 24 volt rated and one is about 2 volt rated. So when the battery voltage drops below about 4 volts, the LED should go really dim or turn off completely for 2 volts on the Zener diode and 2 volts on the diode itself, the LED. So if I turn it on, you can see the LED light up. If I play some music and show you about the volume, I'll turn down to about halfway, and you can hear that the music is really quiet. So I'm going to turn off my circuit, pause, and switch it back on. If I play music again, it's significantly louder, and the volume is the same on the phone.